How to fix grayed out cellular data on iPhone. To fix grayed out cellular data on iPhone, follow these steps. To fix this issue, there's only one step that you'll need to do. And for that step, firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down. Now select the option Screen Time. If you cannot find the Screen Time option, simply go to the search bar on the very top and search for Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, scroll down. Scroll down until you see the section Restrictions. Under the section Restrictions, click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now again, scroll down to the very bottom. Under the section Allow Changes to, click on Cellular Data. If you have selected Don't Allow, then click on the option Allow. By modifying this simple step, your problem should be fixed. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.